Sometimes it's about choosing the right tools to make your job easy, finding some ways to organize your home, some cool cleaning tips, and the easiest ways to decorate your home. And some daily productive habits can really keep you on your feet to have a neat, clean, tidy, and organized home. Hello everyone, this is Priyanka and once again welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share some home maintenance tips so that you can maintain your home in a much better way. So without wasting any time, let's get into today's video. If you are too much into decorating home and makeover and stuff, so don't get afraid to use paint as part of that. Now you can relate to what I'm going to say. We use paint tray, but once the job is done, it's all messy and cleaning the tray is also one of the biggest jobs to do. So first thing is, try to invest in a small tray like this so that you don't have to carry a big tray all around while painting. Now to control the mess created after painting, you can use a cling wrap or a thin plastic sheet or an aluminium foil paper. Put the cling wrap on the tray. Or if in case you're using an aluminium foil paper, put the foil paper on the tray and secure it nicely from all the sides. Now put the paint on the tray and use it to paint anything of your choice. Use it till the last drop, and once when you're done, just throw away the plastic sheet. Or if the mess created is less, then you can clean the plastic sheet and reuse again when you're painting. No more mess around your home, and it can save a lot of time in cleaning as well. I have been asked many times on my channel about this long pillow, which you might have seen on my bed and also on my couch. This one is from Chumbak and unfortunately, it's not available online. If you have any store nearby you, hopefully you can buy it from there. But guys, what if I'll tell you a secret to make the similar one at home without any stitching? All you need to do is to get your throw or comforter for the same. Lay your comforter flat on the surface and fold it from the sides. Now, you can fold it from both the sides and make it as long or small as you want your long pillow to be. And once when you're done, just start rolling it from one side and roll it all the way to the top. Make small fold, but while you're rolling, make sure you're rolling it as tight as possible so that it won't unfold easily when you put your head on it. Now fold it from the top in this way and tuck the already folded portion inside the pocket which we have just created, and voila, your long pillow is made. Keep it on the bed, use it as a pillow, and at night use it when AC is on or you are under the weather. I got this idea from one of my subscribers to use a bowl to put when refilling oil or ghee in order to avoid wastage. Next time when you refill the ghee from the packet, put the ghee container on the plate like this. Refill the ghee and whatever ghee is dripping, it will be on the plate, not on the countertop. Once refill is done, either you can use it to apply it on the rotis or probably in the same plate, add wheat flour and knead the dough. Ghee and mess out of cleaning, it is also being taken care of and no more ghee is getting wasted in this whole refilling process. In my home, batteries are just all over my place and somehow I never find the need to organize them. And because of this, we always end up buying the new ones from the market. I have a son and batteries are needed all the time for his toys and stuff. If sometimes the battery is on the toy, we just can't know if battery is good enough to be used again. Recently, I found an interesting thing over Amazon, and this has given me a whole new reason that batteries should be organized properly. So for the same, collect all the batteries from your home, no matter if they are used or new ones. Take any box which has partitions. Use labels to write AA, AAA, used batteries and all. Keep them like this on the box. Now here comes which actually is the hero of this particular hack, the battery tester. While you're organizing the batteries, Use it to check if batteries are good or not, especially the ones which are already on the toys or on any of your electronic item. You can use it to test AA, AAA, C, D type batteries with it. This will keep you from wasting good batteries by throwing the good ones away. Simple but effective little battery tester. Compact size and lightweight, easy to carry. I would suggest keeping this also in the organizer to make your life easy. Recently, I was cleaning some silverware and accidentally I spilled a lot of silver cleaner on the sink. And the next thing I knew was a lot of marks left on the sink. It's there for 2 weeks and I have tried almost everything to get rid of it. But then finally, I tried something which is very much viral all over the internet, the pink stuff. When I first saw, I thought it might not be available in India, or if somehow I might find it, it will be very costly. But my dear friends, it's not only available easily on Amazon, but it's also very affordable. Just take a little bit of it on the scrubber and put it on the stains. Scrub it for few minutes and believe me, it will take all the stains from it. The pink stuff can take out all the toughest stains from the surfaces like metal, ceramic and glass. If your sink has lots of water stains accumulated for months, then you can use it to clean your sink and make it new all over again. While buying pillow covers, sometimes we come across this problem that pillow cover is bigger than the filler. In that case, when you keep it on the bed, it looks a bit odd and makes the whole arrangement look not so good. So here is a small trick which I like to do when I face this problem. Put the pillow cover on the filler. Now put it upside down like this so that the bigger side of the pillow will come on the bottom. Now first hold the top portion and tuck it inside. When you do so, you will notice that the pockets are created on both the sides. These pockets will actually hold whole pillow cover together and also helps to keep it retained that way. Now tuck the bottom portion inside, stretch it from both the sides and tuck them in the pockets on both the sides. And we are done. Now you can keep them in the bed, style it and make your bed look as neat and beautiful as you want. We all know how much dust accumulates in the home, and sometimes wiping it down with just water is not enough. So make a DIY all-purpose solution to make your job easy and your home sparklingly clean. Take half tablespoon of olive oil, half tablespoon vinegar, half cup water, 2 drops of dish soap and add 10 drops of essential oil of your choice. Either put it in a spray bottle or make it when you want to wipe down the surfaces. Dip a microfiber cloth in the solution and clean with it. Once you start using it, you will see a difference and it will leave your home looking neat and clean. A simple yet effective way to keep the dust down in your home. You have kids at home and if they scribble on walls with crayons and you find it difficult to clean, then use WD-40 to remove them from the walls. Just spray it all over the stains. Take a wet cloth to remove those marks from the wall. WD-40 will help to melt down the crayons, which makes it easier to clean with wet cloth. Here you can see in this video, I have first used the crayons on the wall and you can see the results on your own how effective it is. If you're a person who likes to hang the dresses in your closet, then this trick will not only help you to hang them nicely, but will also create space beneath where you can typically keep many other clothes. Just take your dress and any regular hanger in this case. Lay down your dress flat and fold it from the bottom like this. Now take hanger and pass it through the dress. Make one more fold all the way to the top and pass these straps on the hanger and we are done. Now for the dresses which comes with the sleeves or the sleeveless dresses. First, Put the hanger on the top like this. Now fold it from both the sides and make a fold all the way to the top. The remaining portion should go inside nicely into the hanger so that it will be tucked and dress will not fall when you hang it on the rod. And in this way, you can nicely organize all your dresses on your hanging rod without any mess. And you will have so much space beneath where you can keep other things. So this is all for today's video, and I really hope you are going to find all these home maintenance tips handy and easy. If you like today's video, then you know the drill. Please do share this video with all your friends and family. Like the video and please do subscribe to my channel. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more video related updates. I'll see you next time with another video. Till then, stay home, take care, and bye bye.